Ma'am, sir, let's get to the forecast here. Thanks for joining us on this Thursday evening. Pretty chilly in Great Falls, 23 degrees right now. How about that wind, or lack thereof? Certainly is very nice not to have much in the way of wind after all of those windy days that we've had. Same goes for Helena, 30 degrees right now. And again, you're probably saying, where is the snow? A little light flakes have been falling at times into the hills around Helena. We've got a little light snow falling up closer to the Continental Divide. Teens and 20s. Look at Williston at 14 degrees right now. So some chilly air just off towards our north, and some of that cooler air has oozed its way across the state here during the day today. And it's nice to see fairly calm conditions. Just about everybody within the last few weeks have seen some gusts up over 60, 70, even 80 miles per hour. So nice to get a little break here. But winter weather advisory continues. Now, this does not include Helena proper, really for the mountain passes around Helena, Deep Creek Pass, McDonald Pass, Flesher Pass, Rogers Pass here in that winter weather advisory. Little light snow will fall this evening if anybody's traveling down Highway 287 or Highway 12 up into the direction of the Little Belts in White Sulphur Springs. That's where there will be just a little light snow. You can see that on the radar, really in the southwestern part of the state. Some low clouds really didn't produce any snow in northeast Montana today, but there's some of that light snow. Looks like the Missoula radar just went out here, but around Helena, certainly the big belts out closer to York and Nelson, picking up a little snow there. Looks like through Wolf Creek Canyon. Maybe take it a little easy with some of that snow falling. And again, when the precipitation just completely falls off the map like that, that's a sign that the Missoula radar site may have gone out here just briefly. Elsewhere around the country, down closer to the Gulf of Mexico, we've got just a little rain here, but minor system moving through the northern Rockies and the Pacific Northwest. So some of that snow will continue. And again, right around Helena, we've got just some light snow that will continue here through the evening hours into the overnight. And as we get into early tomorrow morning, the winter weather advisory will expire and the snow will expire as well, working on down to the south. And by the afternoon, a lot of the state looking at a good amount of sunshine after some clouds in the morning, and there will be a few snow showers into the mountains of southwestern Montana. This little snow right here moving through northeast Montana, that's ahead of an Arctic boundary that could drop places north and east of Glasgow down below maybe zero on Saturday night into Sunday. You can see a couple of flakes of snow closer to Glasgow, but that's about as far south as the Arctic boundary will get. So a little light snow, south central, southwestern Montana, just enough to make the roads a little slick out there tonight into tomorrow morning. Speaking of, by tomorrow morning, temperatures dropping into the single digits in the teens here out the High Line. These numbers a little below average, not quite Arctic air yet up into the northeast part of the state. Lewistown, crazy 8, 2 at Showdown, and a few hours of some light snow around Helena. Careful heading up over the mountain passes. That's where the roads could be a little slick. Tomorrow, becoming mostly sunny by the afternoon, 20s and 30s here. A pretty nice January day for Saturday. Here's this little Arctic boundary in way northeast Montana, north of Glasgow, up there near Scobie. We could have temperatures dropping into the single digits by Saturday afternoon. The rest of the state, 25 to about 30 degrees with mostly sunny skies. Into Sunday, there's that boundary. Maybe a little snow up in northeast Montana. Otherwise, it's a pretty sunny weekend from start to finish, and then into Monday, looking at mostly cloudy skies and continued cold and continued fairly calm conditions. Here's the 7-day forecast for Helena, looking at temperatures fairly consistent, upper 20s to the lower and mid 30s. A few snow showers possible Tuesday night, then again on Thursday. So really, after the little flakes of snow tonight, not much. And for Great Falls, you know, it's a good forecast when you don't have winds really getting above about 15 or 20 miles per hour. Continued cold with temperatures a little below average.
Thanks, Curtis.